Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to turn off Find My on your Mac. Without any doubt at all, Find My is a super handy aspect of iCloud that allows you to find your Mac by using another Apple device Find My app or through the iCloud on the web. However, there are some situations where you might want to turn it off and disable Find My on your Mac. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So to get started, you have to hit the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings option in the drop down menu. And then you have to click on your name at the top of System Settings sidebar. And then you have to click on the iCloud option. And then you have to click See All to view the rest of the settings. And then you have to click Find My Mac. And then you have to turn off the toggle right next to Find My Mac. And finally you have to confirm that you want to turn off Find My Mac by entering your password. Note that when Find My Mac is turned off, your Mac will no longer be trackable through the Find My service and iCloud's location protection will be disabled. This means that it won't appear on the Find My app across iOS, iPadOS, or macOS devices. If you are disabling Find My Mac because you are sending it in for repair, selling it, or transferring ownership, be sure to first back up all your important data. Later, if you ever want to activate the Find My feature on your macOS device, just return to the same setting and then turn on the toggle right next to Find My in the end, and that's about it. Thanks for tuning in. Now you know how to turn off Find My Mac if you ever need to. If this guide was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more such handy macOS tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.